Adding contours to a surface in Civil 3D is a fundamental process for creating an accurate digital representation of terrain. This process uses existing polylines, which have elevation data, to define the shape and topography of your surface model. Before you can add any data, you must first have a surface to add it to. You can create a new tinned surface by navigating to the Prospector tab in your Toolspace, right-clicking on Surfaces, and selecting Create Surface. Give your surface a name, perhaps Existing Ground, and choose a style that displays contours so you can see the results later. Once your empty surface container exists, you can begin adding the contour data. Find your newly created surface in the Prospector tab and expand its entry by clicking the plus sign. You will see a definition category. Expand the definition to reveal various types of data you can add to build the surface. For this task, you will right-click on the Contours option. From the context menu that appears, select Add. This action opens the Add Contour Data dialog box, which is where you configure how the data will be interpreted. In the dialog box, it is crucial to provide a clear description. Something like e.g. contours from survey helps you track where your surface data originated. Next, you will see options for weeding and supplementing data. Weeding simplifies the contour lines by removing vertices that are close together, which can optimize performance without significantly affecting accuracy. You can set weeding factors based on distance and angle. Supplementing factors do the opposite. They add vertices along straight segments of your polylines to ensure the resulting triangulation more closely follows the intended ground shape. Below these options, you'll find settings for minimizing flat areas. This is a very important feature. Sometimes, the triangulation process can create perfectly flat, horizontal triangles, especially in areas with sparse data. Civil 3D can automatically resolve these by either adding points to the flat triangular faces or by swapping the triangle edges to create a better slope. Enabling these options generally results in a more realistic and hydraulically correct surface model. After configuring these settings to your project's needs, you will click OK. Civil 3D will then close the dialog box and prompt you at the command line to select the objects. At this point, you will select all the polyline objects in your drawing that represent your contours. It is absolutely critical that these polylines have the correct elevation values assigned to them. If they are 2D polylines with a z-value of 0, your surface will be flat and incorrect. Once you have selected all the relevant contour polylines, press Enter. The software will process this information, and your surface will automatically rebuild. You should now see the contours appear on your surface if your chosen surface style is set to display them. To verify your work, you can select the surface, right-click, and choose Object Viewer. This will open a 3D view, allowing you to rotate and inspect the surface from all angles to ensure it was built correctly and accurately reflects the contour data you provided. This simple workflow is a core skill for any Civil 3D user working with terrain models. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding contours to a surface in Civil 3D. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Civil 3D tips and tricks.